I've been wanting to make this video for a while. Yesterday I got to head over to my genuine Hoyt dealer to test drive the new 2019 Carbon RX-3s. I shot an Ultra and Cuyo Verde 2.0. Absolutely impressed. I cannot even begin to describe it. It felt so light, even though it's a few extra ounces. Totally not noticeable. It's so much more balanced, seems like. I mean, the 2018 Carbon RX-1s were a ballpark, you know, above others. But this 2019, I mean, super balanced, super light, no vibration, very little vibration, little bit. Super quiet. I did a sound comparison with my RX-1. I love my RX-1. Was totally blown away. My Defiant, going from my Carbon Defiant to the Carbon RX-1, completely game changer. So when I went to shoot the RX-3 Ultra, I shot the RX-1 first. There's a little bit of a snag right there before you fall into the valley on the RX-1. On the RX-3, non-existent. Straight back. So smooth. I was so impressed. Easily, I'm shooting 70 pounds out of my RX-1. I would easily pull 80 on that, the RX-3. I'm probably going to order an RX-3 and 80 pounds and just wait. That's just how impressed I was with this RX-3. Go over there to your genuine Hoyt dealer and just shoot them. Just try it. If you guys aren't Hoyt fans, you will be after you shoot the RX-3. You guys have a great day. Hope this video helps you out. I'm going to test drive the new 2019 Carbon RX-3. Looks amazing. I'm going to do a sound comparison video for you guys. So here's my fully dressed 2018 Carbon RX-1. One arrow each. Now the RX-3. Both bows were 27-inch draw, 70 pounds. If you like this video, feel free to subscribe and like. I appreciate all your guys' feedback and everything. So comment below and let me know what you think. You guys have a great day. Wapiti Fit out.